Should you store large data in JavaScript local storage? Imagine trying to fit a huge book into a tiny drawer. That's what storing large amounts of data in JavaScript local storage is like. It's tempting to think it's a quick fix, but there are limits. Most browsers allow about 5 megabytes of data per website or domain in local storage. That's roughly enough space for a few thousand small text entries, but not for large files or big datasets. If you try to store more than that, the browser will give you a quote exceeded error and refuse to save the data. So, it's not reliable for large data needs. Another thing to keep in mind is that local storage only saves data as strings. If you want to store complex data like objects or arrays, you need to turn them into strings first. Usually, you use JSON stringify to do this. But this process adds extra size to your data and takes time. When you store or retrieve large data, it can slow down your website because these operations happen synchronously. That means your page could freeze or lag during these actions. Security is also a concern. Data stored in local storage can be accessed by any JavaScript code running on the same website. It offers no built-in way to protect sensitive information like passwords or private user data. If security matters, local storage isn't the best choice. Given these facts, it's clear that local storage is best for small, simple, and non-sensitive data. Think about user preferences, theme settings, or tokens that help keep users logged in. For larger or more complex data, you should look into alternatives like index database. Index database supports much bigger storage sizes, can handle structured data, and works asynchronously. This makes it better for offline applications, caching large JSON files, or storing big amounts of data without slowing down your website. In summary, storing large data in local storage isn't a good idea because of the size limits, blocking behavior, and security issues. Use local storage for small, straightforward data, and choose other options like indexed database for bigger or more complex storage needs.